In this video, we will show you how to use the new Find Help Now section on the homepage. Go to the right-hand side of your page and type the county in which you are looking for assistance. In this example, we will look at Hinds County. Click on the county, and you will see a list of all offices that provide service within Hinds County. You will also see the information for your MDHS county office and icons for what services are available at that county office. Each icon is clickable and meant to direct you to other pages that can provide you with programs to fit those needs. You will see icons for caring for seniors, food, paying bills, and child support. In another example, we will look at Sharkey County and the services they have available, starting with the EMDHS County Office, which provides food assistance, finding a job, and help paying bills. Scrolling down, you can see the Child Support Office that is in Yazoo City, the community action agencies that help with paying bills and weatherization, the resource and referral centers available for parents, area agencies on aging to assist older Americans, and the long-term care ombudsman, in case you need representation for someone in a long-term care home. This function was designed to connect you quickly to all points of contact within your county.